2018 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. First, I'll give you a little spec information on the boat. The boat is a full 24 foot 8 inches overall length, a beam of 8 foot 6 inches, and a weight with engine of about 4,600 pounds. As we start here on the transom, you'll see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 300 Verado. Great fit for this boat, a lot of power, supercharged, lots of torque, digital throttle and shift, power steering. As we make our way into the cockpit, there's a freshwater shower, there's an onboard charger, and then you see the huge bench seat in the cockpit. Folds up out of the way, easily for fishing. This boat does come equipped with the fishing package, which includes the tow rails. It also includes a live well that's under the seat. And when you close the live well up, this seat will do a number of options. You can sit this part back, you can lay it down, you can make it where you face backwards, you can make a full sun pad. There's also storage, big storage compartment in the front part of the seat. As we move on forward on the port side, you'll see this boat has the pump out head, very spacious, has a sink as well, and it is pump out. As we move over to the starboard side to the helm, so you got your Mercury digital throttle and shift, Fusion stereo, VHF, 4-inch vessel view display, and your Raymarine Axiom chart plotter. You also see this boat is equipped with the wakeboard arch. Great for water sports, great tow point. Also includes rod holders on the arch. As we move on forward on the starboard side, you have a huge storage compartment. Great place to store your cockpit table, as well as your bow filler cushion. And great place to put life jackets, dock lines, fenders, all your gear. You also have a door that closes here, so when you close the windshield in cooler weather, you can block the air. Makes a much more comfortable ride. As we move into the bow area, you have another mounting point for your table, so you can mount it either in the cockpit or the bow. You have storage under each seat. This storage compartment here opens up to the same area we looked at through the door into the console. Up front, you have cup holders, 12 volt for charging your phone, speakers. Move further forward, you'll see this boat is equipped with a windlass, which makes anchoring a lot easier. And it also has a freshwater shower here, so you can shower off this area when you retrieve the anchor. Again, my name is John Wright. This is a look at our 2018 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. We'd love for you to come visit us, see this boat, see others we have in inventory. Our number is 910-256-8100. Look forward to seeing you soon.